In this video, we're going to look at the various apps that are available within Subscribe 360. One of the best things about Subscribe 360 is the use of the apps, because it allows people to work in focused environments. Everything they need is in a dedicated app. So we're going to give you a quick overview of the membership app, the finance app, the events app, the fundraising app, the administration app, and the customer voice app. So I'm logged into Subscribe 360 Finance at the moment, but when I click on here, we can see all the various apps that are available, and we have dedicated Subscribe 360 apps as described. So if we look at the membership app, I'm a membership worker, someone who works in the membership area of your business. I've got access to dashboards showing my business intelligence, all of the records I need, all of your customers, the membership records, and you also have access to things like marketing and CPD and access to manage a shop. With Subscribe 360, we also provide a finance app, which is available to finance users. Again, shows them all of the dashboards and records and information that they need access to. So direct debits, the collection batches, access to the same lists of customers, all of the accountancy records. As well as the finance app, we have an events app, which, as you would expect, controls all the aspects of event management. So in this app, you have dashboards that relate to events overview, event booking dashboards. You've got access to your event records where you can manage all aspects of your events and control how they appear on your portal. You've got access to your different price lists, your bookings. Everything is contained within that app. Now, before we look at the other apps, it is important to just raise the point that access to apps can be controlled through security roles. So someone who is perhaps a membership manager may have access to the membership and the finance app. Someone who is involved in events may have access to the events app and also the customer voice app. So access to various apps can be controlled by your administrators very easily. The next app we're going to look at is the fundraising one. So it has its own dedicated app where you have access to all of your audience, your accounts, your contacts, your various development actions and plans and gift plans. You've got access to record legacies. You also have the ability to control gift aid through batches and declarations and manage your various funds in your fundraising. There's also an area to support regular giving, and for customers donating regularly by direct debit, you also have access to your direct debits. We also have an app for administrators. So this app will be usually only available to your super users or administrators. It lets you control all things like the various countries, locations, regions, control your email templates, senders. All of your configuration items and administration can be controlled through this dedicated app, where you also have access to all the other areas of Subscribe 360. The last app we're going to introduce you to today is the Customer Voice app. Now, the Customer Voice app allows you to control surveys and giving your customers a voice, hence the name of it. So all of your surveys and things like that are controlled within their own dedicated app. So as you can see, Subscribe 360 has lots of functionality, and access to the various pieces of functionality can be controlled through security roles by giving people access to the apps.